Now let's see the priority algorithm. So the here the process will be assigned some priority when they are created. So till now we have not seen any such type. So here what happens is, whenever a process is created by the scheduler, the long term scheduler, whenever it enters the ready queue, it is going to come with a number associated with it, that is nothing but the priority, right? And now depending on the priority, whichever is having the highest priority, see, implementations they may vary, but then sometimes highest priority means the lower number, and lowest priority means the higher number. But whatever it is, I am talking about the highest priority, whether you assign lower number or higher number, whatever you want. Now what we do is, among all the available processes, I'll pick up the one with the highest priority, right, and then run it. So the priority sometimes it will not change at all. So in the gate questions as of now, for whatever we are going to solve it, we assume that all the process will be given static priority, which means once a priority is assigned to a process, it is not going to change. That is what we assume. And sometimes priority might change, which means once the process might come in with some priority and suddenly its priority might increase, right? That might happen. So in our questions we are not considering this dynamic priority, we are considering only static priority. And based on this, the scheduling algorithms here, the priority scheduling algorithm can be classified into two types. One is preemptive and other is non-preemptive, like this. The scheduling algorithms can be classified like this. One is preemptive and other is non-preemptive. So again, what is preemptive and what is non-preemptive is same as the previous one. Till now we have seen preemptive and non-preemptive versions, right? But the only difference is here. So whenever non-preemptive means when we choose a process which is having the highest priority, we are going to run it till completion without stopping it. That is non-preemptive. And preemptive means we are going to choose a process which is having highest priority and we are going to run it until its completion, or if any process with higher priority is available suddenly, then we will stop it and run the other one. Okay, better I'll take some examples and explain you this concept. It is very simple, not much complex. And then sometimes what happens is two processes will have the same priority. In that case, arrival time is going to break the tie. Okay, if two processes are having the same priority, we take the one with the earlier arrival time. In case if the arrival times are also same, right, it doesn't happen because the time at which they join the queue is going to be different. At any time we are going to add one after the other, right? But in case if it happens, then again we are going to see the process ID P1, P2, P3 like that. Okay, the lower process ID will take the higher precedence. So now let's see some examples on that, using which I will explain you how does this preemptive and non-preemptive work.